Hey guys, this is Ryan over at Clearview Shields. Just want to talk to you about the lowrider screen. Going to do a mount for you, just so you can see how it all fits on there and how quickly you can mount it, take it on and off. Before I do anything, I do want to talk about the stop sticker. Before you mount the windshield, just make sure it's the correct tint and height that you ordered. You can also install the windshield with the film mask on and take it for a test ride and see if it's going to work for you. But please do not remove the film mask until you know that it's going to work for you. I am going to be doing the install in real time, so I apologize for any kind of delays here. First thing I'm going to do is peel away the masking on the front just a little bit around the mounting holes. You want to keep that front masking intact for the most part, and you'll see why a little bit later in the video here. So once you got those front holes exposed, I'm just going to grab the grommets here. And we'll be using the OEM hardware to do the mount. And you're just going to pop them in from the front side. And you can do it from the back of the windshield as well, but it seems to go in a little easier from the front here. All right, so you can see, just want to make sure that they're seating in all the way, and they should be able to move around a little bit inside there, just a hair. And then on the back side, I'm just going to remove the film mask on the inside here up to a little bit past where the top of the outer fairing is. Again, you don't want to remove it all the way off yet. And then grab the hardware here. So 27 torques. And you're just going to start on the bottom two and then work your way around. Another reason you keep that film mask on so you don't get fingerprints all over your new windshield, so you can peel it off later. So again, we're just going to kind of work our way up and around the windshield. I did notice on the upper mounting holes too, you can push the fairing, the inner fairing from the other side in to line up a little bit. It kind of squeezes the, the windshield squeezes the outer fairing and the inner fairing together. So you can actually push it in a little bit and it'll line the screws up a little better. Just want to snug them up, you don't have to go crazy tight with them. And then just because I know people are going to probably talk about it. I lost the other two OEM mounting bolts, so we'll be using the Phillips one we have here. We're going to put a little bit of pressure down on the corner. Again, just get them hand started. So once you got everything tightened up, then you can peel the masking off and see how easy it is. Same thing on the back side. Just keeps you from having to clean your windshield up after you install it. You can take the film mask off. There's going to be no fingerprints, scuff marks or anything. And then just to show you guys too, I mean, I didn't really tighten up the top two bolts here. Really the four on the bottom are tightened up. And you can see that windshield's not going anywhere. This is a little bit thicker material, so it's 0.177 or 3/16. And that's why you'll see when you get the windshield, it's got a little bit of a chamfer here on the bottom, so I'll try to suck it into the bike a little bit. And then you'll see it's got a chamfer on the inside of the holes as well, which is allowing you to use the OEM grommets instead of the some other hardware. So that's it.